Hello children, open your ENVT textbook, lesson number 17, Tejal in Ahmedabad. From this lesson, we'll note down own observation, experiences, information about things, activities, important events, visited places like fairs, festivals, historical places separately. Apart from this, we'll be able to warn about activities and uncommon events. We'll be able to use information given on public notices, posters, currency, notes and coins, railway tickets, timetables, etc. Every person dreams of having his or her own house. Once a house is built, a family lives in it, making it a home. There are different types of houses in villages and cities. There are various types of houses like huts, kacha houses, pakka houses, terraced houses in villages, whereas in cities there are huts, row houses, kacha houses, pakka houses, terraced houses, along with modern types of houses like multi-story buildings, bungalows, villas, etc. Even if the house in a village has only one room, the open space around it makes it easy to cook, have a bath, and do other household work. Due to congested areas in cities, when there is only one room in a hut or in small houses in narrow lanes, it becomes very difficult to do everyday things. Fights break out many times due to common public toilets and taps. People who stay in hutments truly face a lot of difficulties. Whether people stay in villages or in cities, they are apart from the larger society and are connected to each other. We are connected due to our families' ties. We recognize these ties with various names. For example, fathers or mother's father, grandfather, father's or mother's mother, grandmother, father's brother, kaka, mother's brother, mama, father's sister, foi, mother's sister, masi. We also take care of other relations like kaki, masa, fua, brother, sister, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother's sister, etc. The rich, the middle class, and the poor stay in different localities in cities. The rich and the middle class people live in comparatively good life, but the poor face a lot of difficulties. City life is full of struggle. Along with this, there are places for entertainment and fun, as well as the places for natural beauty. So let us read about Tejal's family. Since Tejal's mother was sick, Tejal had to bring her to Mama's house in Ahmedabad for proper treatment. When Tejal first came to Ahmedabad, she was afraid to go to crowded places, to climb into or get down from a train or a bus, to travel from one place to another, and to walk along on the crowded railway platform at the station. She was also afraid to look down from the height of a multi-story building and to ride the lift to the higher floors. Since there was no toilet in her mama's house, Tejal had to use the common toilet at the corner of the road. Since all the people of the society used the same toilet, it was not clean and stunk horribly. When Tejal went to use this toilet for the first time, she felt like vomiting. Tejal found her mama's house to be different from her house in the village. There is only one room in Tejal's house in the village. Apart from this, there is an open yard, a kitchen, and a toilet. However, all the people live in a single room. In Mama's house, they have to sit, sleep, cook, bathe, have meals, and wash clothes and utensils in the same room. In Tejal's village, one has to walk for 20 minutes to the pond to fetch water. During summer, if the water of the pond dries up, one has to walk for an hour to the river to fetch water. However, there are no fights for water in the village. Whereas in Mama's place, one has to wake up at 4 am and stand in a line to fill water from the public tap. If one is a little late, it is not possible to fill enough water to last the whole day. Sometimes there are fights for water at the tap. What other work does Tejal's mommy do apart from her household work? Apart from her household work, Tejal's mommy goes to the nearby high-rise building and works as a cleaning woman in 7 houses. She also cleans their utensils. Mommy took Tejal to show Harsh's house where she was working. Harsh's house is on the 12th floor of a multi-story building. His house is big. There is a drawing room, a dining room, a bedroom, and a kitchen in his house. The house even has a toilet. It took Mommy a lot of time to clean Harsh's house, but she could work easily. What did Tejal think when she went to the multi-story building with her mommy? Tejal saw with surprise that there are many houses in the building, one on top of the other. She felt it was impossible to climb so many stairs. However, she reached the top floor just by pushing the buttons of the lift. Tejal felt afraid in the lift. Tejal went to Harsh's house in another multi-story building with her mommy. She saw how big the house was and that there were separate rooms for everything: a sitting room, a dining room, a bedroom, and a kitchen. The house even had its own toilet. The kitchen and toilets had taps from which water was available for the whole day. The house had glass windows. Tejal could see the lane of her mama's house from the window. All the things in the lane looked small, just like a toys from the height of her house. Tejal felt scared to look down from such a height. Now a new trouble for Tejal. She said, Mama has said that he would take me around to see Ahmedabad. The children around here talk a lot about a riverfront. They are telling that a big film stars, leaders, and sportsperson also come there. Maybe when I go there, I might see them there. These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to riverfront Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. This place belongs to government, so it should be vacated. Mama is saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such a notice. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses, but it is a little far. Mama will also to spend more money and time to reach at this workplace. Mommy will have to find some other work. How will I be able to visit my mother? Yet mother is not completely well. A new trouble for Tejal. When Tejal first came to Ahmedabad, she was afraid to go to crowded places. Mama has said that he would take her around to see Ahmedabad. Tejal said, the children around here talk a lot about riverfront. They are telling that big film stars, leaders and sportsperson also come there. Maybe when I go there, I might see them there. These days, Mama is so worried. I can't ask him to take me to a riverfront. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. This place belongs to government, so it should be vacated. Mama is saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got a such notice. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses, but it is a little far. Mama will have to spend more money and time to reach at his workplace. Mommy will have to find some other work. How will I able to visit my mother, yet mother is not completely well? What things did Tejal learn about traveling by bus in Ahmedabad? Tejal learned how to stand in line and wait for the bus, the money needed for the ticket, and where to get down from the bus. Which places worth seeing are located in Ahmedabad? Places worth seeing in Ahmedabad are Riverfront, Science City, the Gandhi Ashram, the International Airport, Environment Education Center, Balvatika, the Zoo, Patang, the Revolving Restaurant, etc. Thank you.